At CGI, we have 35 exceptional years of long-term growth, powered by 31,000 professionals spread across 125 offices. A key part of our success comes from our India operations, which started in 1991. Our centers of excellence in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai are an integral component of the company's unique global delivery model. As part of the diversity and inclusion chapter, we'd like to highlight one of the most important dimensions: multi-generation employees. Let's take a quick look at the live examples at CGI India working effectively and efficiently at the NEO office, the multi-generation workspace of CGI India.
I'm experiencing a unique opportunity of working with multi-generations and leading a team in CGI. We have cut across barriers of genders and generations and are comfortable working with each other as members. The style of leadership I adopt is inclusive. I spend time understanding the triggers and pace each member of my team requires to help set them up for success.
There are many motivational factors for me here at CGI. The first that I would like to highlight is respect. My age is not considered a barrier, but an enabler for my team. I get an opportunity to share my experience and also learn from it. Working with a pace, being driven, accountable, and performance-oriented are some of the learnings that I have gone through while working with the younger generation.
There are a lot of lessons to be learned from Gen Y. Be it respect, partnership, or quality, you will always see a CGI value at work. One of the key learnings from Gen Y is their constant demand for the freedom to experiment and create. Their risk-taking ability is high, and that's when innovations happen. I love working with Gen Y. It brings out the youth in me.
We learn from the wisdom and experience of our leaders is their maturity and stability that anchors us.
The best way to manage Gen Y is to be transparent, honest, and let's face it, it's a Facebook generation.
We need to get in their shoes and start thinking like them. Once you do that, it is easier to share your views and guide them.
We need to be accessible, connect with them real time, discuss success and failures, and constantly motivate them.
It's a whole new way of life. Well, let's hear it.
Recently in one of the team outing, I even walked on the ramp. I think the idea is we got to be more informal to them, be more approachable so that they feel free to come and talk to us. And this is how we are able to build up better relationship with the Generation Y and take the projects forward.
Generation Y are restless, lack patience, but what differentiates them is their level of enthusiasm and willingness to take up new things. In order to understand them, the style of leadership I have adopted is to be their buddy and create an informal culture within my team.
The recent fashion show that the leaders participated in was fantastic. The way the Gen Y coordinated the whole show was commendable. There were lots of fun and enthusiasm, something really worth experiencing.
Here we go again.
Gen Y is the new age generation. Let's see what their aspirations are.
I'm gonna have
We have lots of fun at work. One specific example that comes to my mind is a recently held cricket tournament that we organized called Crickmania. We had our leaders, peers playing with us as a team. This shows great character of our leaders. We bonded better than ever, and it shows at work.
At work, we organize various cultural programs. The organization provides ample opportunities to everyone where employees from different age groups can showcase their talent. This binds them together and acts as forum for interaction, fun and enjoyment.
I like our leaders being buddies. We are Generation Y and have a free mind, willing to experiment, have thirst for knowledge and the will to reach greater heights. Together, we can build a newer, better world.
The mindset of the current generation, according to me, is being very social and youthful. We like exchanging great ideas, socialize, and having a great time. A go-getter attitude is what we believe in.
I believe in working hard on weekdays and party as harder over the weekend. Having fun at work, hanging out with peers who are from different generations, makes work an ongoing party.
A great work environment, no generation divide, and equal opportunities for all makes CGI a dream company to work for.
In my role as the Managing Director for CGI India, I operate in India but also interact with various other geographies, including the US. What is fascinating about India is the youthfulness of the population, the median age of around 25 compared to the high 30s or low 40s in North America and Europe. So with a young and vibrant workforce in India, the challenge for me is to be able to understand their aspirations and interests and their triggers for engagement to enable us to attract, motivate, and retain them in the organization. As a leader, I value the perspectives and the ambition of the younger generation and their drive to do things differently. It's important for me and my leadership team to focus and channelize their positive energy to greater productivity and innovation. As a parent, my children challenge me every day. I have to understand the values and interests of Gen Y. And work is no different. We need to make the same effort in getting the maximum out of the younger generation.
CGI, delivering business solutions through information technology by harnessing the wealth that a multi-generation workforce offers.